Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Lenovo Chromebook 10e, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So fortunately this option is really quick because we have to simply press our finger on the screen in order to open those options and simply tap on Set Wallpaper and Style. Our device will take us directly to this wallpaper section, so let's simply tap on it. And of course, right now you can check the Carney set wallpaper, and here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So let me check some available options. Basically all we have to do is to find the option and tap on it, of course. So let me try to check maybe some other options, maybe this one. I like this one. So after tapping on it, you will see it on the full screen, and if you like the option, simply tap on Set as Wallpaper, and now we can go back and check, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.